Michelle Yeoh Chu Kang Todd, born Yeoh Chu Kang, the 6th of August 1962, is a Malaysian actress. In a career spanning over 4 decades, she has acted in film and television productions covering a wide range of genres and received various accolades, including an Academy Award and a Golden Globe Award, along with nominations for 2 British Academy Film Awards. Credited as Michelle Khan in her early films, she rose to fame in the 1980s and 1990s after starring in Hong Kong action and martial arts films where she performed her own stunts. These roles included Yes, Madam 1985, Magnificent Warriors 1987, Police Story 3, Super Cop 1992, The Heroic Trio, and Tai Chi Master both 1993, and Wing Chun 1994. After moving to the United States, Yeoh gained international recognition for her starring roles in the James Bond film Tomorrow Never Dies 1997 and in An Gi Lee's wuxia martial arts film Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon 2000. The latter earned her a nomination for the BAFTA Award for Best Actress in a Leading Role. Her Hollywood career progressed with roles in Memoirs of a Geisha 2005, Sunshine 2007, and The Mummy, Tomb of the Dragon Emperor 2008. She continued to appear in Hong Kong and Chinese cinema, starring in True Legend and Reign of Assassins both 2010, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, Sword of Destiny 2016, and Master Z, IP Man Legacy 2018. In 2011, she portrayed Aung San Suu Kyi in the British biographical film The Lady 2011. Yeoh played supporting roles in the romantic comedies Crazy Rich Asians 2018 and Last Christmas 2019, as well as in the Marvel Cinematic Universe film Shang-Chi and The Legend of the Ten Rings 2021 and the television series Star Trek, Discovery 2017-2020. Her voice acting work has included Kung Fu Panda 2 2011, Minions, The Rise of Gru and Paws of Fury, The Legend of Hank both 2022, Transformers, Rise of the Beasts 2023, and The Tiger's Apprentice 2024. For her starring role as Evelyn Kwan Wong in Everything Everywhere All at Once 2022, she won the Academy Award for Best Actress, becoming the first Asian to win the category and the first Malaysian to win an Academy Award. She has since featured in the mystery film A Haunting in Venice 2023, the musical fantasy films Wicked 2024 and Wicked for Good 2025, and the sports drama film It's My Time 2026. The film review aggregation website Rotten Tomatoes ranked her the greatest action heroine of all time in 2008. In 1997, she was chosen by People as one of the 50 most beautiful people in the world, and in 2009, the same magazine listed her as one of the 35 all-time screen beauties. In 2022, Time named her one of the world's 100 most influential people on its annual listicle and its Icon of the Year. In 2024, she received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Yeoh was born on the 6th of August 1960 to an Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia, to Yeoh Kian Teek, a politician, and Janet Yeoh. She has a brother, Robert Yeoh, an eye surgeon, to half-brothers, Lam Ho, a medical professional, and Ronald Yeoh, an eye surgeon, and a paternal half-sister, Tan Shi Kun. Her father was elected as a senator of Malaysia from 1959 to 1969 as a member of Perak's Malaysian Chinese Association, the chairman of the Perak Bar Association, and the founder of Sri Maju in 1975. A major intercity coach service in Malaysia and Singapore of Hokkien and Cantonese ancestry, she grew up speaking English to her father and could understand some Malaysian Cantonese from her maternal grandmother who lived with them. She learned to speak Cantonese and Mandarin fluently in the 1980s and 1990s after starting her career in Hong Kong. Despite that, she never learned to read or write Chinese characters, which she has said was her greatest regret. Yeoh was keen on dance from an early age, beginning ballet at age 4. She went to the girls' school main convent, Ipoh. At age 15, she moved with her parents to England. There, she was enrolled in the Hammond School, Chester, where she started to train as a ballet dancer. However, a spinal injury prevented her from becoming a professional ballet dancer, and she shifted her attention to choreography and other arts. She received a Bachelor of Arts degree from Crew Plus Alsager College of Higher Education in 1983. Personal life. Yeoh was married to Hong Kong entrepreneur Dixon Poon, known for his ownership of businesses such as Harvey Nichols and Charles Jourdan. From 1988 to 1992, from 1998 to 2000, Yeoh dated and was eventually engaged to Alan Heldman, an American cardiologist. In 2004, she began dating Jean Todt, then the general manager and CEO of Scuderia Ferrari and later the president of the FIA. They became engaged on the 26th of July 2004. As of 2019, she lives in Geneva, Switzerland, with Todt. In an Instagram post, former Scuderia Ferrari driver Felipe Massa said that Yeoh and Todt were married on the 27th of July 2023 in Geneva. Yeoh does not have any children and has cited her inability to have children as the reason for ending her first marriage. Yeoh is Buddhist and an activist. Yeoh expressed her support for Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak and the political coalition Barisan Nasional ahead of the 2013 Malaysian general election. In 2022, she told Vanity Fair that Shakespeare and Stephen King were her favorite authors and that Tarzan was her favorite fictional hero. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.